The new vehicle has launched with an official guide price starting at 169,800 renminbi, and a highly attractive limited-time refresh price has been introduced, bringing the price down to 151,800 renminbi. The all-new RAV4 continues the design style of its overseas version, the next-generation RAV4 Woodland, with a more robust and stylish overall appearance. At the front, the latest C-shaped headlights, connected by a black strip, create a seamless design effect. The frameless mesh grille complements the black wire-lined lower grille with its seamless design, while dynamic air vents on either side add a visually striking look to the front of the vehicle. The side profile maintains a sharp and layered waistline, while black wheels, fenders, window frames, and roof create a floating roof effect, further enhancing the sporty feel. At the rear, the taillights feature vertical light strips with a black frame panel, creating a seamless effect that echoes the front design. The new car's dimensions are 4620/1855/1680 mm in length, width, and height, and a wheelbase of 2,690 mm, representing a 20 mm increase compared to the current model. The interior adopts the latest design language, consistent with the international version. The new model features a newly designed 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, an 8.8-inch floating full LCD instrument cluster, a 15.6-inch narrow bezel floating central control display, and a HUD head-up display system that significantly reduces the use of physical buttons and creates a more concise and modern cabin atmosphere. It's worth noting that the new vehicle is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon South Australia 8155P cockpit chip, which supports 3-screen interaction and features 256 color ambient lighting, enhancing the vehicle's technological and luxurious feel. The infotainment system uses a brand new interface that offers 3 smartphone connectivity options: CarLife, CarPlay, and Huawei Hi Car, catering to users of various smartphone brands. In terms of storage, the vehicle's 514-liter trunk capacity can be expanded to 749 liters with the rear seats folded down. The Smart Driver Assistance System is a key innovation in this generation. The new vehicle is equipped with the TSS 4.0 driver assistance system, featuring comprehensive hardware upgrades and features such as adaptive cruise control and lane assist. The newly added cornering speed prediction function, combined with the navigation map, can automatically adjust the vehicle's speed 200 meters before entering a corner. The collision avoidance system not only detects pedestrians and bicycles, but also further enhances driving safety by extending the braking distance algorithm by 40% when a rear-mounted caravan is detected. In terms of powertrains, it offers 3 options: a 2.5-liter hybrid, a 2.0-liter hybrid, and a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine. The 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine delivers a maximum power of 126 kilowatts. The 2.0-liter hybrid engine delivers a maximum power of 112 kilowatts, and the 2.5-liter hybrid engine delivers a maximum power of 136 kilowatts, a 5 kilowatts increase over the current model. In terms of all-wheel drive, the new vehicle is equipped with the E4 electronically controlled all-wheel drive system with DTC dynamic torque control and a multi-plate clutch-type center differential. This system allows the front and rear axle power distribution to be adjusted between 100:0 and 50:50. Additionally, the new vehicle features an external power dump function that provides a maximum power output of 1.5 kilowatts to meet users' outdoor power needs.